As a homeowner in Boston, you understand the importance of a well-functioning HVAC system. But when your system breaks down, it can be challenging to decide whether to repair or replace it. At your HVAC company, our expert technicians can help you make an informed decision. We provide comprehensive HVAC tune-ups, repair, and replacement services to ensure your system operates efficiently and effectively. From heating repair and furnace repair to air conditioning repair and AC repair near me, we have got you covered. Our technicians are experienced and reliable, and we use only the highest quality parts and equipment. Don't let a malfunctioning HVAC system disrupt your comfort and safety. Contact us today to schedule your tune-up or repair and take the first step towards a more efficient and effective HVAC system. Call 555-555-5555 or visit our website to learn more.